I had one of my subscribers tell me she was trying to talk her father into subdividing his land and leasing it out for people to do their little gardening on. But he was up in years and age and was worried about the legal part of it. Well, people in Louisiana, right there, under Louisiana law, there it is. We post that sign right there on your garden, on your land, and you're pretty safe. The old oak tree is shedding all of the leaves, and when they hit the ground, you take your blower and you blow them right off into your garden. This is as good as a tarp. Heavy mulch, leaves like that, is as good as a tarp. It kills the grass, kills the grass roots, and then next year, you got good bare ground to plant in. But it works, people. Those leaves are like a gold mine for a gardener. We have raked tons of leaves and pine straw out of that little thicket right there. We went in there and raked bags full of it. And from here, right straight across to there, right out there, where those leaves are, and piled it in that yard. That little quarter acre right there has produced, I wouldn't even want to guess how many thousands of dollars of produce. Watermelons, okra, squash, you name it. Even the stink bugs and your honeybees. And they have actually had, I don't see him now, but they must be, oh, there he is. They even have yellow jackets. Now what they doing around this tree, I know they're not pollinating. I don't know what they're looking for.